I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Y'all, I played 8-ball and I lost. I don't know if I'm going to play 9-ball or not, but I lost. Boo.
Go ahead.
Boo. Not a good game. My hand-eye coordination wasn't too swift. Good morning. I just want to tell you guys, no macros today. I have a meeting, and it's my monthly meeting, and we have it at Texas Roadhouse. Look, I am a simple woman. I love dogs, and I love dogs and believe in Jesus. Anyway, and then this curl. This is driving me nuts. I look like a little Cupid doll. Anyway, so yeah, no macros today. But last night I had fun. I ended up losing both games. I played 8-ball and 9-ball. This lady, I lost to a sweet lady. And her husband was telling me that she just got out of the hospital a couple weeks ago. She was in ICU for a month. And he said she died twice. I'm like, and here she is whooping my hiney. But anyway, so, but yeah, I like losing honest, and not winning because somebody lets me win, I think that's much better. Anyway, my hand aim was off last night, but that's all right. What do I know? Yeah, so got that meeting today. Like I said, we go to Texas Roadhouse, and then Sunday is Mom's birthday. What does it say? Friday, Saturday? Oh, it's today for you all. Today's Judy's birthday. I have kids' church, and then my church, and then I'll go see Jesus. Lord, y'all. I have kids' church, my church, and then Judy. So we're going to go out to eat. Got my sisters and I, there's 3 of us. We went in and got her a gift card. And first we were going to get different restaurants, but then one of my coworkers was like, why not just get her one and she can do it wherever she wants to? I think I told y'all this. Too bad I'm telling you again. So went and we got her a gift card so that way she can go to whatever place she wants to go to. I am still blowing some. I want to make that clear. But definitely nothing like it was. What is that in my trash can? I have to bring this to work. And give away. I found that Terri cannot. Is anybody surprised, really? Last night I had like 4 or 5 tablespoons of this. 2 tablespoons is 180 calories. So, yeah, that's going to work. There's just like, I don't know, maybe that much of it left in a container for the dogs. So they're not getting actual peanut butter anymore, ever. Easy cheese, I do some, but I don't do it like that. You know what I mean? Because I don't like it as much as I like peanuts. Derp. Anyway, I don't know, it's kind of a newer thing I've noticed that I've been doing, and so it's like, let's just nip it in the bud. It's no wonder my weight's up again to 182. I know, it's not fat, although some of it might be. But anyway, so yeah, that's what it was this morning, 182, back at our starting weight. So I'm like, all right, girlfriend, we got to get locked and loaded. So anyway, yep, that's what I know, and but no shame. I ain't shaming myself. I ain't mad at myself. I'm a little frustrated at myself, but it's like, all right, girl, you done what you done. Let's take it. Hang on, I'm getting my heater on. Yesterday I was hot whenever I got in here, and now I'm cold. My Alexa said it's 40 something. I think we have a high of 60 something. Windy this morning and not windy this afternoon. Aren't y'all glad? I'll give you my weather report. Anyway, all right, I love you people. And I'll show you what I eat whenever my coworker and I go out for our meeting today. It's Texas Roadhouse, so ahead of time, when I go, I get the roadkill. It's just a ground beef. It's basically a burger patty. So I get it's called roadkill. They top it with onions, mushrooms, and a piece of cheese. And then I usually get a salad and some kind of vegetables. And I usually, well, last time I gave them the peanuts and said, take these away. So, because I don't need the peanuts. So, all right. Anyway, bye. For the record, I'll take this peanut butter to work. We have a table at work that says free. So it can be given to, either, somebody has a client who, they knew would need it and use it. I think we're also, I don't know if we're still doing the canned food drive for the pantry or the pantry food drive. I don't know. Anyway, but that'll go to a good home. So just not my home. Bye. Okay, we're at Texas Roadhouse. I got a salad with blue cheese. I also got my, it's the roadkill steak, and I ordered a baked potato. So here's your warning, you'll see a baked potato. But I took off my croutons, and that's salad blue cheese. Yep, I'm having a potato. That's my roadkill. It's a burger with onion, mushroom, and cheese, and a baked potato, and butter. No sour cream, though. Hey, guys. We are out for a little walk. Hang on, I'm working on my daily here. I put it... Oh, come on, little feller. Get up there. Slide up. Oh, do I need to do that? Oh, hang on just a second. Dude, I'm going to get myself ran over out here. I'm still trying to get it figured out. You just be quiet. You just sit still and be quiet out there. I'm still working. I'm a work... Oh, I get it. Got to get it right. How did I do it the other day? Oh, hang on just a second. Hi. How you doing? I'm doing quite well, thank you very much. We are out here. It's not as windy. It feels nice out here. And it's fun that I can take y'all with me. I could tell you a story. So, once upon a time, there was a girl named Terri. And she said, oh my goodness, I've lost 180 pounds. And then, after about, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6. After about 4 years, she said, wow, I've gained 20 pounds. And then she said, you know what, that's all right. You can just stay this 20 pounds and eat this peanut butter instead. Because she thought, oh boy, this peanut butter is totally worth those extra 20 pounds. But then the next day, Terri said, girl, no ma'am, that ain't the way it's supposed to be. So next day, Terri, she took it to work and gave it away to people who might need peanut butter. So now when impulsive Terri decides she wants something, she's going to have to just eat something else. So anyway, so that's the moral of the story is, I don't know. Peanut butter isn't a good decision. That's the moral of the story. Anyway, so how you all doing? Are you doing okay? Y'all saw my lunch. I had that. I think it's hilarious. It's called a roadkill, but it's Texas Roadhouse. So, roadkill, roadhouse in Texas. It's kind of funny. So I had that, and I had the salad, and I had the potato. I don't do potatoes too often. They're kind of dry. And plus I know they're not, they're pretty carby. But anyway, so probably tomorrow and the next I'll be swollen like a goose. I might take Judy there again, though. Sunday, I'll see if she wants to go there because she would like that roadkill. I was telling her about it. Oh, that sounds good. She's like, but you're going to go there Friday and then next Friday. And then if we go Sunday, I said, girl, that's all right. I said, it's so good. I'll eat that anytime. So I know that much. What else do I know? We're walking to the stop sign. That's all we're going to do today. So, because it's actually later in the day than usual. I wasn't going to tell y'all. It's 3:58. But I missed you all, and I wanted to get out and move. My rear end is so tired from sitting all day. I had a big report. I just got mad and closed my door. I'm like, I'm tired of people. So I closed my door so I could work on the report. And so that way nobody would come in. I have 2 signs. One is red, and it says, do not enter. Send an email unless emergent. And the other side is green. It says something about okay to come in, because sometimes I'm working on something and I don't mind being interrupted, but I've decided I'm going to try to set up a boundary with my office time and maybe once or twice a day, just close my office door for an hour. I'm terrible at boundaries. So I thought, well, I'll do that and give myself a little alone time, a little time to kind of focus on whatever it is I need to focus on. And yeah, so I'm tired from being out late last night, but it was worth it. It was fun. It may not be worth it to the people I'm a little cranky to, but yeah, they'll be all right. They'll be just fine. What else do I know? I don't know much else. I've been wondering, I need to call our Sam's, because, you know, we've talked back and forth in the comments. I'd be curious how much their, maybe I could call them. I'd be curious how much their whole strip loin would be per pound for them. I mean, I've got my ground beef, that's not a problem, but I was just genuinely curious about how much that would cost, and then just cut my own steaks. I mean, I ain't jumping on it. Don't worry. The chuck roast works fine too. I was just genuinely curious. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I know. Like I said, I'm kind of cranky and tired. I'm a little bit grouchy. So I'm going to let y'all go. Okay, bye. Hi. I just burped. Burp. Hello. See? This curl all day long. I've been looking like a little Cupid doll. I just want to say, I don't know what a Cupid doll, like, do they have a sound or something? Like, do they make a sound like a Cupid doll? I don't know. I'm about to put in my Red Dead Redemption 2. If you want to see what that game is, I've played it for a long time. I go back and forth between games. Sometimes, like, I'll do one, and sometimes I think I'm going to do 100%. I don't do 100%, but it's all right. I don't need to. Nobody's keeping track of it but me. So, kind of like nobody keeps track of my calories that I eat in the dark but me, my body. Anyway, so last night's Terri wasn't thinking about the fact that I was going out to eat. So I have 8 ounces of my 80-20 ground beef, 2 eggs, I watered down my ketchup. Got a little too watered down. Look, that's my ketchup. It's a little too watered down, but don't think I won't eat that. So anyway, so I'm gonna eat that. And where was I at in this game? I want to see, like, my progress. What percent was I at this point? Oh, 11%. I'm going to start a brand new one is what I'm going to do. So, anyway, yeah, so that, I'm going to have chocolate peanut butter. So, I'm going to start a whole new playthrough. Chocolate peanut butter. Okay. Hang on here. I haven't done this in a while, but I have some electrolytes in one of my ZDs back there. Tomorrow, going to be a pretty packed day. I won't have to clean out my microwave, my stovetop only if I cook. The bathroom this morning, while I was in the shower, I sprayed it down with Dawn Power Wash, and I keep a dish scrubby in there, and I scrub the wall and the floors, so I could probably wipe off the counter and then do something on the toilets. You know, maybe clean the toilet. We'll see. But that's bathroom, laundry, and my sheets, my bed linen tomorrow. Why is my toe itching? I need to dust. Trash, that's kind of throughout the week. I need to wash the dog bowls. Let's see. Oh, I have tried collagen with cottage cheese and yogurt, so we'll try that tomorrow. I need to clean my car, but don't hold your breath on that one. I'm supposed to dust my baseboards tomorrow. That's not that hard. You just take a Swiffer and then go around just Swiffer off the baseboards. It's not like they're like have anything clung on them, you know, just the fur. Oh, I need a clean Roomba. So like I said, I've got, when I set this up, I set it up where ever so often I'm doing some things. So in theory, my house gets a full deep cleaning twice a year. In theory, when I do the things. But yeah, included in that is Roomba, so when it says clean Roomba, it means unscrew everything and get one of those little psh, psh, you know, that air spray, and clean out all the fur from inside my Roomba. So I need to do that. Organize under the kitchen sink. But I also have on here vacuum. I have to make my creamies for the week. My medications, so I'll set those up, and I think I'll tell y'all what I take tomorrow. And I got to sweep my porches. So that's my agenda tomorrow. So now you're in the loop. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.